I want to send warmest Christmas greetings to the members of the Irish Cultural Centre of Western New England. I had the pleasure of visiting the Springfield area a few years back, and I saw for myself the sort of strength of Irish culture and heritage that exists in that part of the United States and that part of New England. And I also, of course, have regular contact with the great congressman from the Springfield district, Congressman Richie Neal, one of the firmest friends we have in Ireland within the US Congress, and I am always delighted to associate myself with Chairman Neal in his capacity as the co-chair of the Congressional Friends of Ireland, which is an invaluable support for Ireland at all times, and especially in these times when we focus on the implications for Northern Ireland of Britain's departure from the European Union, and we look to maintaining the open border on the island of Ireland. I had the pleasure recently of meeting the Centre's Executive Director, Sean Cahalane. We had a great discussion in Boston along with some of the other officers of the Centre, and I wish the Centre all the very best for the year ahead. This promises to be an exciting year for all of us. The hope is that we will emerge fully from the pandemic in the course of the coming year, and that we'll be able to have a very robust celebration of St. Patrick's Day in 2022. We've been deprived of that opportunity for the last few years, and I very much look forward to a bumper St. Patrick's Day, and I look forward to having many more opportunities to connect with the people of Western New England. So meanwhile, I wish you all the best for the festive season, for Christmas and the New Year.